Today we talk about how can you change your email address on your SIM app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go down here, click on the sign down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Click here on store here, just click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on wallet here, just click on wallet. Then it's going to take you to this list. You just scrolling down here until you found here change my email address here, just click on it. So when you just click on change my email address here, it's going to take you to this list here, and here can you email an account verification code. So you just click on it here, and here enter an account verification code you receive it here, click on continue, and it's going to change with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.